Did you know there's an eagle that can kill humans? Let's discover the terrifying truth about this mighty bird. Meet the African crowned eagle, known as the ruler of the skies in sub-Saharan Africa, feared by many creatures below. This magnificent eagle is not just another bird, it's an apex predator with a reputation that precedes it. This eagle boasts a wingspan of over 6 feet and has talons strong enough to crush bones. Imagine those powerful feet gripping tightly as it swoops down from the treetops. Its power makes it one of the most formidable predators on the planet. In the 1920s, the discovery of a child's skull with eagle claw marks sparked debates. Experts believe the perpetrator was none other than this deadly bird of prey, leaving us to wonder just how dangerous it can truly be. It's rare, but the African crowned eagle is one of the only birds confirmed to prey on humans in documented cases, making it truly unique. Watch as incredible footage captures this powerful hunter in action, grabbing its prey mid-air, showcasing the raw strength and lethal skills of one of nature's most dangerous creatures. Love learning about deadly wildlife? Like, share, and follow Deadliest Nature for more fascinating stories on nature's most fearsome animals. Deadliest Nature versus the Eagle of Death? Who will prevail?